Well, here she is in the flesh. We have a 2003 V6 manual Mustang. Yes, another Mustang. Why? I'm not entirely sure. To tell you the truth, Marco's build was pretty easy, very cheap, held boost well. We didn't need to do any tuning, even though there's some of you out there that say you have to tune. I understand, I get it, but it richened up under boost, and that's what mattered the most to me. So I thought, why not find another one that we can do whatever we want to and not about it, if that makes any sense, you know? So like I had said before, this is pretty much a YouTube car, you know? So if it blows up, who cares? We'll maybe put a different motor in it. If we wreck it, whatever. This is here to do whatever we please with. So we already have a pretty good idea of what we want to do with this car. To tell you the truth, I've actually had this car for many months now. It's just been sitting on the side of my house. I prematurely bought it, but I got it for a really good deal. Has a new clutch, whole new AC system, new water pump, needs a thermostat. I don't know why they didn't change that, but newish tires, newish brakes. It's $1,000. I mean, why wouldn't you buy it? So that's that. As I said, if you've seen Marco's Mustang videos, it's going to be something similar to that. It's going to be a budget turbo setup, but we've got some different ideas to do with this thing. So hopefully it'll turn out cool. So if you're interested in it, I know there's a lot of Mustang fan base out there that we've gathered with Marco's car. Stay tuned. You know, I'm going to show you exactly what I use, how I do it, so on and so forth. So I'm no fabricator. I'm just a mechanic by trade. So you know, the whole thing's a learning process, but that's the fun of it. So join us on this adventure. So here it is in all its glory. Bone stock V6. I know, just a V6, but the nice thing is all this room right here, when like this is removed and this is removed, gonna be moving the battery, there's a lot of room for things and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So we're not trying to build a super fast car here. You know, we just want something that's fun to drive, something different, and pretty sure that's what it's gonna be. You can hear the neighbor kid over there kicking a soccer ball. Yeah, let's take a look inside. It since it's been sitting a while. Shit. Is that it? Okay, that was it. Ugh. Since it's been sitting a while, it did develop a little bit of a moldy seat problem, which I doused everything in baking soda, and that's what all that weird looking powdery stuff is. But yeah, it's got a water leak. Looks like it's coming from the trunk area. Yeah, I gotta figure out something to do with that, but the car's been sitting. I've got this thing. It's supposed to like soak up moisture. Doesn't really look like it's been doing anything, but I don't know. It doesn't feel damp in here anymore. The windows used to have a bunch of condensation and stuff, but yeah. Get the key out of the door. So this is a running driving car. I bought it with a check engine light. The previous owner said it was a vacuum leak, but yeah. Oh shit.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Well then, I guess that is an issue. Oh. think the battery's dead, actually. Interesting. Let me put the tender on it and see what it'll do. Alright, tender's on it. Let's see what happens. Weird. Huh. It almost sounds like a fuse blows or something. I've been starting this car off and on like once a week for the past couple months, and I've never had this issue. Ironically enough, we did have this issue with Marco's car, where this theft light would flash. And yeah, we had to figure out what was going on with that. Realistically, we never figured it out, and the car just started one day, and it's been good ever since. And from research, it is a common problem with this generation, so that's kind of shitty. I can hear stuff moving under the hood there. I wonder if it's just that dead. Tender was on it for a while. Anyways, maybe I'll have to jump start it. So I guess that kills that part of the video. Anyways, this thing needs a good detail. I mean, it's been cleaned up since I got it, but it's still kind of like, it's kind of shift knob sticky, which weirds me out, and you know, like cup holders and stuff. Like yeah, that stuff bothers me. Even though this is gonna be just like a thrashing car, I want it to be clean at least. So, oh, okay. Well, guess that'll just stay on then. So yeah, that's the car, I guess. It's already got this cool bumper cut out. I mean, you could see all this is developed because it's been sitting here so long. Need to give this thing a good wash, but we've got plans for it, boys. So I think what I'm gonna do now is just go inside, order some parts. Stay tuned for the next episode.